Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in front of you right now HP LaserJet MFP M130fn printer, and it's showing the message on the screen right now. In Arabic it's showing that kind of inhishar or paper jam. Let me change the language and we'll see the message. What is the message exactly? Okay, here we go to English. Okay, you will see the message is showing that jam in print paper path. Open the top cover and clear the jam. So first step, what you will do if you find like this error jam in cartridge area. I already disassembled the printer, but I will tell you the step-by-step method. You have to open the top cover first, and you have to find out any paper jam right down the cartridge. Okay, but in my printer, the case is different. I didn't find any paper over here. So what I did earlier before I start the video, I want to make sure that what is the problem. So I disassemble the top cover here, and top cover and top scanner unit, the right cover and the left cover, and the back cover. When I came to the back cover, I found it over here. The sensor is pulled out. Mistakenly, the sensor is pulled out. So this is a sensor that is showing the error paper jam in print path. Okay, so this was the issue. I will disconnect the power, and then I will just place back the sensor to its original place like this. Okay, so this was creating the problem before. Okay, just I will insert the tuner inside. So you have to make sure first the paper jam in the cartridge area, then you have to go to these. Sometimes paper jam here in the fuser unit. But I already tried here. Also, there is nothing jam inside. So the rear sensor was the thing only. And we'll see if there is any different. And now you can see it's initializing. Before it was not initializing. Now it is initializing. Before straight away it was just getting stuck or showing the message here paper jam in print path. Now maybe it will give error. The scanner is not connected. Might be it will give error. Okay, first thing, if you want to disassemble this, the thing I disassemble right now, first of all remove the top right cover and top left cover, then remove the cable of scanner, then pull out the scanner. Scanner have here one lock. You have to help of this lock, you can remove this scanner unit completely. And printer is working now. It is asking to load the paper. Sorry. Here we load the paper. Okay, now printer is ready. You can see nothing problem at all. So this is the method. If you found any time in this model M130N or FN or M130 normal print path, paper jam in print path, you have to make sure first step the downside the cartridge area, drum unit remove, and then if you couldn't found anything, you have to go straight back to the scanner over here. Sometimes one thing more I forget to tell you. Sometimes paper got stuck over here. Write down this. I need any kind of visiting card to show you. Right over here. Sometimes paper got stuck over here because sensor is here right now. If any paper got stuck here or paper jammed here, so sometime also it will give the same problem. So you have to make sure that there is not be a single piece of paper should be here. Remove the paper from here. In the end, you have to go to the turn to the back side to the sensor, paper sensor. Hope you understand the matter, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question regarding this printer, you can ask me in the comments. We'll like your feedbacks. Take care, guys. Bye.